Today I'm going to disassemble this bone conduction headphones from MOJO2. They sent me this pair of headphones for review, and now let's take a look at what's inside. I'll be using the pliers, the knife, and the rotary cutting tool to open it up and see the build quality and see how it works. It has this magnetic charging cable that grabs pretty securely to the unit. Since there's completely sealed, no opening, it has a IP67 waterproof, which means it can be submerged underwater for 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. And all the units are completely fully sealed, unlike some other headphones on the market that may have openings. The structure is very durable. I noticed it maintains its shape very well. Doesn't matter how much I twist, it always comes back to its original shape. This is incredible by itself. Let me see if I can cut through this bone, this structure. Okay, that's done. I can see the wires. Well, looks like it did not cut completely through. They are still attached. Done. It has a silicone coating. The texture feels like a skin, so it's quite comfortable. This material is very durable, just like the overall structure. It's incredibly thin, yet incredibly durable. Same type of material is used on the earpiece. I can't really peel it off by hand. This is a great bond. I spent the past 5 minutes trying to scrape off this material off the earpiece, but I couldn't get it done cleanly. Leatherman Crunch is very helpful doing this fine cutting task, so I don't have to grab onto it. Oops, got it. Housing, the chip, wiring, and the driver unit. It's magnetic. I think this centerpiece, like a coil design, is the one pushing the cheekbone. Okay, I can open it now. This is a really strong magnet and the coils. This is the button on the left side. It is so tiny. Looks like the battery pack is located on the left side. I will not cut this as it may cause an explosion or fire. It needs to be dealt with extreme care. 130 milliamps, 0.5 watt hour. 3.65 volts nominal voltage. Let's see what's on the other side. A strong magnet, the charging controller, the touchpad, and the Bluetooth chip. The charging contact point, the touching pad. This is the main chip. Look at how small it is. Thanks for watching. This is a really fun teardown project sponsored by MOJO2. It was quite challenging due to the compact size. It's so interesting to see its design details and its high build quality.